Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to back up phrases on Exodus. It is crucial for your wallet to back up your recovery phrases whenever you want to restore your wallet in case of loss or damage on your device. So in order to back up your recovery phrases, the process is quite easy, so watch until the end of the video. Open your Exodus wallet app from your app drawer and make sure to enter your passcode in order to end up in the main wallet page. Once you are in the main home page, tap on the little waffle menu at the bottom right hand corner and tap on security from the options. Now tap on backup at the top of the security panel, which will then provide you with this interface. Here simply tap on the little box at the bottom and tap on view secret phrase. In order to view your secret phrases, you'll need to enter your wallet's passcode, so go ahead and do it. After you do that, you will come across this interface where you'll need to press and hold the press and hold button to reveal your wallet phrases. Once you reveal your phrases, simply write down your recovery phrases in a piece of a paper, or you can also add them on other secure offline storage destination. Do not store your recovery phrases digitally as it increases the risk of theft or loss. After writing down your recovery phrases, Exodus will ask you to confirm it by entering the words in the correct order. This step will help you ensure that you've accurately recorded your recovery phrase, and once you've confirmed your recovery phrase, you will be able to back up. So that is how you can easily back up your phrases on Exodus, and you will be now able to use these backup phrases in case of device loss, damage, or failure. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.